Buonasera paisani. This is supposedly my Big Mama's Gather live on Instagram. As I said, I was gonna be here at the protest to document it on Maurice Duplessis and Armand Bombardier. And I'm parked at the parking lot across the street, and there's actually nothing happening now. I'm just gonna bring the camera over and show you there's not a soul. There's nobody. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know if people are going to show up. Let's see. C. Castel wants... Aspetta, come si gira qua? Aspetta. There you go. How are you?
Good.
Are you in Montreal?
No, I'm not. I'm in Queens.
Oh,
New York.
You're too far to come protest.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bother you. I must have pressed the wrong number. The wrong...
That's fine. That's fine. It's nice to meet you on screen. Thank you for watching my live. And like I was saying, I'm documenting this protest if people show up so that, people are more aware of what's going on. And we have a voice. So we have some kind of freedom that we can.
I got to tell you, I think it's ridiculous. I mean, here in the States, I got my second shot already.
Wow.
But it made me really, really sick.
You see, yeah, that's what people are afraid of, I think.
I got
getting
really,
sick.
really sick over it. I was such a mess, but I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I pressed the wrong button, but at the same time, I love you.
Thank you. That warms my heart.
And you come from the same town my bisnonno comes from.
Cattolica
Ericlea. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, look, it was a blessing in disguise that you pressed the wrong button.
Yeah, I apologize. I didn't mean to bother you. I swear to you, I was trying to press to watch.
Yeah, no, you don't have to apologize. It's my pleasure, and thank you for watching.
Oh, I always do. You kidding me? I hope you don't think that I'm annoying you.
Not at all. Not at all. Don't ever think that. No, I do this because I want feedback and I want to talk to my viewers. I don't want them just to be numbers. I want them to be people. So
well,
thank you.
One day you could come here so we could eat pasta con lo sugo together and just shoot the,
Shoot the breeze. Yes, absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
Piatto di pasta di macarona con sugo.
Con lo sugo, sì, broccoli rabbit. Yeah.
Fantastic. You take care, you be safe.
Okay, you too, and I'll watch you. I am so sorry.
Don't be. It was a pleasure.
Oh,
thank you.
Okay, bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Well, that was nice. One of my viewers she pressed the wrong button. So what? It was a pleasure. I like when people join my live. I like when they interact and they want to contribute. So yes, I see a lot of hearts. Guys, I want to apologize beforehand. If I don't answer all your comments, please, I'm really sorry. I'm reading them as I go along. Hi, Manu Cauchi. Hi, dear. Hope you're doing okay. So I'm still here on Armand Bombardier and Maurice Duplessis in Rivière des Prairies here in Montreal because there's been a protest for the past, since Sunday we've been protesting, or they've been protesting. I won't even put myself in it. No, not we, but they. People have been protesting against the curfew, and, Sunday was a real disgusting scene where they became out of hand. They got violent. They started to riot. They started to vandalize a lot of properties in the downtown area, the Old Port, which was not right for the, store owners. We want them to open. How are they going to open if the doors are broken so that was wrong. But again, it was a small group of people who provoked it and created all this chaos. But here, there is a local Italian that is a real activist for what's going on right now. And her name is Priscilla Yaniti, and she planned these peaceful protests here in Rivière des Prairies where she lives. And yesterday I didn't get a chance to come, but tonight I'm here, and unfortunately there's nobody here yet. like I said before, I am going to stay a little bit. I'm going to hang around to see. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the screen. I'm just looking around. But I'm going to show you. There's not much going on right now. There's nobody here yet. It's pretty quiet. But I'm gonna stick around and hopefully document whatever happens if something does happen. I'll probably stay for the next hour or so. But I mean, if nothing happens within the hour, I don't think anything else is gonna happen. I have you guys on my live, and more people are joining. I see lots of people joining. Thank you for joining. I just want to say that we need our voices heard. Yes, that we elected the government. I'm just going to put this here. We elected the government to govern for us, for our well-being. But at the point that we're at right now, he's making decisions that are not justified, that are not explained, such as the one that just happened now. Mr. Legault, which is our the premier of Quebec, the Prime Minister of Quebec, announced that everyone has to wear a mask even outdoors. And he just retracted that a little over 3 hours ago because it wasn't clear. So he recanted on his recommendation, saying that if you are able to be outside within 2 meters of other people, you don't have to wear a mask. Like if you're playing tennis or sitting on a bench or, you know, within your own bubble, having a picnic and not being mobile, then you don't have to wear a mask. As well as people who, like couples that don't live together, they don't have to wear a mask because it's considered a bubble. So like all these changes that are going on, it's very confusing for the population. And the fact of the curfew, I think everyone is on board with me when I say this. It's got no purpose. The numbers haven't gone down because of the curfew. It doesn't come out at night. I mean, it's not a night disease that, you know, you got to be home so it doesn't catch you. It's not like the ghost of death that comes and gets you at midnight. So there's no purpose for this curfew. And he had brought it up to 9:30, which was somewhat acceptable. And now he brought it back down to 8 o'clock here in Montreal. And we will not tolerate that. I mean, I don't agree with it at all. You barely have time to get home if you're working outside of the home. You got to, you know, speed up and hurry up and get home, because if you're out on the road after 8, if it's 8:01, 8:03, you're prone to get a ticket. And I find it is not correct. I find this is going to cause more speeding. It's going to cause more accidents because people are rushing and they're not watching the roads. They're not being careful. They're not being safe. So all this to say, there's a protest that was supposed to happen tonight. It's 6:09. It was supposed to start at 6. Maybe people are going to come a little later. But we're trying to have a voice, a say in what's going on. Yes, of course. Probably the goal will not do anything, and just not to give us the upper hand of saying, yes, you're right, the curfew is useless. But at the same time, we need to regain some kind of control, some kind of power, some kind of freedom. And so Priscilla organized these peaceful protests. There's no vandalism. There's nothing besides people standing at the corners and holding up billboards saying that we want our freedom back. We don't want the curfew. It's very peaceful. Everyone is very nice, and we encourage all the drivers coming by, because it's a big intersection. It's 2 big boulevards that are intersecting. So we encourage all the drivers to honk in support of what's going on. So this is what's happening right now. Montreal right now is on the chopping block because we're getting so much bad publicity. One, for what happened on Sunday with the riot and the protest that got ugly. 2, the police officer that you know, was hitting a man in the head once they had him on the floor. So there's a lot going on right now, and I think people are just losing their minds. And it's justifiable given the circumstances that we've been cooped up for a year, and it doesn't look like it's going to end before June 24th. That's what Legault said. So until June 24th, when everyone who is willing to get a vaccine is vaccinated, that's when he's going to give us back our freedom and go back to some kind of normality. Now, can we resist another 73 days? Probably. But how many other people won't? And how many other people are suffering from mental illness, from depression, from anxiety, from isolation? There's just so many factors that come in when someone is alone and has been alone for so long and has, you know, mental conditions or mental health conditions that just it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I see droplets on my windshield. It's starting to rain. I hope it's just a cloud because I see the sun and I see rain. Again, I'm here on Maurice Duplessis and Armand Bombardier at the corner. There's nothing going on yet. Oh, I see people with. Here we go. Let me get the camera. Okay, so across the street, you're gonna see there's people with signs. I don't know if you see it. It's hold on. Let me point there. See there? That's the bus stop. And there are people holding up posters. So it's starting. And I'm going to wait till the crowd builds up a little and get out of my car and go see them. But look, I'm going to flip the camera again. There they are with the posters. I can't zoom in, unfortunately, guys. I'm really sorry. Oh, yes, I can. There you go. Look. There you go. They are protesting against the curfew. It is very, very peaceful. That's Priscilla right there. I'm gonna go see her. She's. Oh wait, let the bus pass there. That's Priscilla. Oh, I can't count. Where's my finger? So that's Priscilla over there with the green poster, and she's encouraging and asking everyone who's driving by to honk in support. So I'm gonna get out of the car now, and I'm gonna go join them, and I'll interview them. So let me shut off my car. Let me put my stuff in the back. I'm gonna put on my. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's gonna be a nice wet one, a nice wet protest. So look, you hear the honking of the cars. It's starting, guys. Patience is a virtue. I'm putting on my mask because I don't know how close I'll be getting to people. The red light. So I'm going to cross on this side. I'm going to just flip the camera so you guys see everything. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Whoops. There it is. Hold on. So there you go. It has begun. This is a protest against the curfew. It is unreasonable and pretty much useless. So I'm slowly approaching. There's a small crowd, and these people are very courageous to do this, to get together and do this. So, hello, Priscilla. How are you? I'm good. So we're live right now.
Hey guys.
I've been here since 6 o'clock. So here, this is the protest. This is what a peaceful protest looks like. We're not vandalizing. We're just asking people to honk in support that we are fed up with the curfew.
That's right. It doesn't work. Mental health.
So we're here to support. I'm here to document and support. They want freedom over fear. I'm going to flip the camera. There we go. Lockdowns don't work. I can't breathe.
Maybe his home doesn't work.
Yeah, we got a honk out of him. Yeah. All right, so I guess it's an all-woman protest over here because we're all women. But that's okay. Women are strong. Women are powerful, and women can make a change. So here you go. Look, everybody's honking. Anything you guys want to say?
I want to say everybody needs to open their businesses so we can be back to normal. Everybody needs to eat. Everybody needs to make money.
That's right.
Everybody needs to survive.
And the mental health issue too.
And the mental health. We don't need to be locked up alone. We need to be with other people. We're human. We're not animals. That's right.
So this is it, guys. We're all protesting. We're all fed up. I think it's a worldwide feeling that everyone is fed up with the lockdown, with the restrictions, with the curfew. We just want our lives back the way we remember it, the way we know it. And this is just a little voice to be heard. To be heard that the curfew's not working, the lockdown's not working because the numbers haven't changed. They still keep rising. So let us live. Let us live. Let us live. So guys, hi Brandon. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me on the live. I'll probably come back live a little later. We'll see if more people show up. But so far, it's just a handful of us. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is amazing. We want to be heard. We just want to be heard. We just want our freedom back. We want to live. We got a honker. We got a honker. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Make some noise. Woo! All right.
Yeah.
All right, so guys, I'm gonna come back to you a little later, and okay, we'll try not to swear. We'll try to be nice, because we're just pissed off. We're pissed off. So yeah, I'll come back a little later to show. It's not 6:20. I'll come back in maybe 20 minutes to see if the crowd gets bigger or not. And stay tuned. Let's keep this up. Come on, here we go. Here we go. So I'm back live from Maurice Duplessis and Armand Bombardier. The crowd is getting louder and a little bit bigger. We got a lot of people. We got megaphones. We got whistles. But most of all, we're getting a lot of support from the drivers who are honking in support. And, you know, we're all in this together. We're all in unity. And it's very peaceful. That's the main thing. It's peaceful. This is a peaceful protest. We're at the corner here of Maurice Duplessis and Armand Bombardier. And as you can hear, there's all kinds of cars honking in support. Everybody's got posters. You know what? It's a good feeling. It's a very good feeling to be able to express yourself and say, listen, enough is enough. We don't want the curfew. And our mental health, that's especially, our mental health is very important and it matters. So here I'm going to give you another overview. So if you're just tuning in, I'm on Armand Bombardier and Maurice Duplessis. There's a peaceful protest going on for the curfew, against the curfew. So if you're getting home now from work or you're home, come on down, show your support. It's very peaceful. The police have been coming around. They drive around without any objection. They're just making sure everybody's okay. And most of them are women, which is a good thing, I guess. It's very, very peaceful. We're just raising awareness. We want people to honk. There's a very positive, good vibe here. And so if you're Nordy Peace and Leonard, Montreal North, come on down, support these guys. Just drive by and honk. That's all they're asking, is a little bit of support, because I think we all feel that the curfew should be lifted, and this is what they're doing. They're being heard. They want to be heard. They're going to be doing this every night, possibly at this corner or possibly different corners. If you want me to post, I will. I can post where the next place will happen and when, just like I did yesterday for tonight's protest. But look, everybody's peaceful, everybody's happy, there's a positive vibe. We all stand together for one main thing, which is to lift the curfew, because our mental health is important and it matters. Hi Giuseppe Maria Pistone, ciao ciao. Hi Jack Moulet. So guys, like I said before, I'm sorry if I don't answer all your comments, because you know they just keep going up and up and up. But I just want to raise awareness. I want to show the world what's happening here in Montreal, because on Sunday we were given a bad image that, you know, when we protest, when Montreal protests, it turns into a riot and it gets ugly and things get damaged. Not the case over here. Here everybody's positive, everybody's happy, everybody's standing in solidarity together and in harmony. So all we want is a honk or join the group to protest the curfew. Plain and simple. I mean, that's all it is. So like I said, the cops have been around, the police have come by. There's been 2 police cars that came by, because the police station is just up the street. I don't know if you can see it. The police station is right there, that blue sign right there. Whoops. Where is it? It's right there. See that blue sign right there? That's the police station. So shouldn't damage anything, just make protest peaceful. Yes, Jack, it is very peaceful. It's Priscilla Yaniti that's putting it together, and she's got support from her friends, her family, her followers, and I'm here to document, but also to show my support, because I also don't agree with the curfew. It hasn't given us any advantage or any benefit besides negative ones. So look at these ladies. They're so wonderful. They're so positive. They're all in harmony. They're peaceful. They're happy. All they want is support and a voice to be heard. So this is what I'm documenting here tonight. Guys, I want to thank you all for being part of my live audience. As always, every week you guys support me, and woo! You guys support me and always watch my videos, my episodes. So I'll be back next week for more lives, unless I go live again. I don't know, Videmo. But guys, this is what it's all about. This is a peaceful protest. So here, look at the sign over here. We have somebody here with a sign. It says, freedom is essential. Absolutely, freedom is essential. These signs here are so amazing. They're sending a message, and the message we want to put out is that enough with the curfew. Yes. We're fed up. We want our freedom. We want to give our kids a good quality of life. And for God's sake, I'm not near anybody. We want to breathe fresh air, guys. That's all we want. Jack, the government, they don't even know what to do anymore. They lost and Daryl have anything else to say. Yeah, I know. So that's just a megaphone. It's not. It's just a megaphone. It's not the police. It's just a megaphone. Don't worry. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you so much. I might post again. I might not. But this is what's happening, and I'm happy to be here. When I was May 1st, there's one happening at the Olympic Stadium. Olympic Stadium, guys. Come on. You can see it from miles away. The Olympic Stadium, May 1st, it's happening. If you guys want me to post it, I will, for all the locals here in Montreal that want to participate. But this is what a peaceful protest is about. This is what protesting is all about. Not what you guys saw Sunday. Not what the news put out there of all the negative setbacks of a small group of people that just wanted to prove a point or just create chaos and give us a bad name. So this is a protest. We're all here in unity and with positive vibes, and we're all happy to be here, so hopefully things will change. Guys, thank you so much for being part of my live audience. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana Learn Sicilian one word at a time. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu. Freedom for our rights. Ciao, ciao.
We're doing this for our kids, guys. Our kids are never going to have a normal life if we don't stand up now.
Look at our mask.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Watch your fucking arm!
You guys, everything's so freaking awkward.
Because my phone was gonna die. The crowd is there. There's a lot of people honking. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm gonna open up my windows. There's a lot of people honking. I'm gonna just turn my camera so you can see what's going on. There's still a lot of people getting massive support from the drivers, the locals, everyone here. It's gonna happen again tomorrow night, so I'll be posting at what time. I'll probably go back and maybe go live again. I don't know, we'll see. But on that note, guys, stay safe. Please take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.